Hello artist! Today we are going to be working on our embossed skull project. So, last time we stopped making our roll a skull design and you should have finished that to complete this step. So the next thing we need to do is just get rid of any of this extra paper so we know where we're tracing our skull in this step. So I just cut off the extra paper and I didn't cut right up against my line because I don't need to. I just wanted to get rid of stuff that I wouldn't be able to see my metal when it's around there. So now you're going to choose a piece of colorful metal and we are going to tape the skull on top of it. So some of them, they have one side that's silver and one side that is a color. You're going to put it on the side that you want to show. So if I want my skull to be red, I'm gonna put my skull on the red. And then I'm gonna make sure all the lines fit inside that piece of metal and I'll tape it down. So I taped my paper to my metal and to the table. So the tape is touching 3 things. That's just to make sure that neither of the pieces really move while I'm working. Now, you're going to take a pencil and you're just going to trace everything on your skull. All right, friends, now that I've traced my whole skull, I'm gonna go ahead and just double check before I peel the tape off. Did I get all the lines I need to? They will be very light right now, but you want to make sure that you got your 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, and any details you added, as well as the whole outline of your skull. So once you have that, you can take your paper off. And then you're going to flip your metal over. And now you can still see those lines through the metal and you're going to trace them again. Just taking your tool and you're going to push into those lines, trying your best to stay on top of them. All right, and once the whole thing is done, you can flip it over and you'll see that it's all pushed up now. I hope you had fun. Bye.